Hello. Welcome to another episode of Ezra's Amazing Learning Club. I'm Papi, your host. Today we'll be putting together what's called a chocolate egg cream. The ingredients are 8 ounces of cold whole milk, some seltzer, and some chocolate syrup like Hershey's, You Bet, or Bosco. Today we're going to be using Bosco. So the amazing thing about classic chocolate egg cream is that there is no egg or cream in an egg cream. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some whole milk, half cup of whole milk. I'm going to take some seltzer, whole seltzer, and some chocolate syrup, about 3 tablespoons or so. You want a good amount of chocolate syrup in there. I'm going to take a spoon, I'm going to blend it all together. Top it off with a little more seltzer. There you go. A delicious, classic chocolate egg cream. Boy, that's good. Thank you again for stopping by, and we'll see you at the next segment of Ezra's Amazing Learning Club. Thank you, Papi signing out.